How to contact Savana customer service. I'm going to tell you how exactly you can reach Savana customer service the easiest way. First, open the Savana app on your phone, look at the bottom right corner, and tap on your profile icon. Once you're in your profile page, scroll down until you see the Help Center section. Under Help Center, tap on Customer Service. Here, you'll see two main options: WhatsApp and email. If you choose WhatsApp, it will open a direct chat so you can talk to their support team in real time. If you choose email, it will open up your mail app so you can send them a detailed message about your concern. WhatsApp is the best for quick responses, while email is great if you need to attach photos or explain an issue in detail. That's it. Simple, fast, and you are talking to Savannah in minutes.